It's Christoph with Just Trails 4x4, also Reaper Challenge, SCA, Southern Outlands. Back again. Ground is completely muddy. Chickens and ducks are totally happy. No thunderstorms right now, but later on this evening is a possibility. So I'm going to try to get this done right here, right now. So I'm going to go single sword, polypropylene, hand and a half. I'll go single hand, two hand, 100 plus wax. Humidity is killer. I don't do well with that. That's why I live in the desert Southwest. But hey, you know, climate, right? All right. One. As I've said before, I like the polypropylene hand and a half because it's flat and oval. It tells me when I get a flat shot versus an edge shot. Works well for poking as well. It doesn't have the big squishy point that the round stick has, so if I don't hit it straight on, it kind of slips off. It tells me I need to hit better. I would poke at the tennis ball, but I think I knocked it up into the tree. There it is. And it's wrapped around the limb. Oh well. So that was about 120, give or take. Also poke at the tennis ball, which is hard, I must say. Like, subscribe, share. If you like what I've done, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like, tell me why. And we'll see you guys next time. Day 30. Bye.